All right, welcome back Intermediate Algebra for your second con of today, also dealing with perfect squares as well. This time though, your perfect squares have a plus sign in the middle of them instead of a minus sign. So we're going to see how that makes a difference. Okay, so the first one here, I'm just going to multiply this through. First of all, you should know that x plus 7 squared is the same as x plus 7 times x plus 7. It's just x plus 7 times itself. So that is why I have x plus 7 here and another x plus 7 here. Now, as we multiply through this in the generic rectangle, x times x is x squared, x times 7 is 7x, x times 7 is 7x, and 7 times 7 is 49. So I've got an x squared here. These two will add up to 14x, and then I've got a 49. So here's what it looks like. So what's so special about the perfect squares when it's a plus sign? So you'll notice that this one still equals your x squared. This time a positive 7 times a positive 7 equals a positive 49 instead of the negative 49 that it was before. And then here you'll just notice that x times 7 is 7x, and we simply double that because there's two of them for the middle term. Okay, let's look at another one and see how that works out. So here you'll notice 2x times 2x would be 4x squared. So that's where the 4x squared comes from. For the middle term, 2x times 3 would be 6x. And then because there'd be two of those, this one here and this one here, we double that for the 12x. And then simply 3 times 3 would be 9, which is what this term is. If that doesn't make sense, generic rectangles always work. Keep using them. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times 3 is 6x. 2x times 3 is 6x. 3 times 3 is 9. We've got this 4x squared here, which goes right there. 6x plus 6x is positive 12x right there. And we've got our positive 9 for right there. Either way you want to work it, no problem. We'll see you at Google Hangouts. Bye, guys.